The way to release the Subaru quick connect lines is not with your typical fuel line release tools like these, but with a couple of picks, just like these. The clip is inside here. Push both of those clips to the side at the same time and then simultaneously pull the line. These two slots indicate where the clip is. There's two on top here, two on the bottom here. This collar can rotate, but the clips are essentially 90 degrees on both sides of those slots. So we got to put two picks in. There's two clips. There's one clip over here, there's one clip here. So we need to put a pick in here and pry outward, and simultaneously put a pick in this side and pry outward, and then that whole line will slide off. Use two 90-degree picks similar to these. Here's our indentation on the top of the clip, so we're going to go 90 degrees over here, and we're going to go 90 degrees over here. Just kind of stick them in there. Now what I like to do is take the tool and just gingerly pry against the line like that. But for the most part, usually if you just get them in the line and kind of hold them with a slight amount of pressure, or just leave them in there, either way, usually you can get the clip to release. You just got to work the line a little bit. So I got them both in there, no pressure. I'm just gonna pull them. There you go. It might not necessarily be top and bottom. This clip can rotate. So wherever these grooves are, you go 90 degrees. There's a clip right here. I don't know if you can see that. And then there's a clip right here. So that's what we're pushing against. To reinstall the line, you just push it on. Hear the click. That means that those clips engaged, and now you should not be able to pull that line off. As long as you can't pull that line off, you're good to go. So let's do it one more time. 90 degrees. There you go. Sometimes you gotta use a little twisting motion. That bottom one hasn't been off in a while. It's a little harder to reach for some reason, but it's coming. There we go. So there's two lines. This one's a supply line. I do believe this one's a return line, but either way, same exact clips, same exact size. So definitely don't mix them up. This hose stays on top, this hose stays on bottom, so they kind of line up naturally. You have O-rings down inside there, so when we're ready to reinstall this quick connect, we'll just put it on the line and push it back on, and it should be nice and solid. Subaru Quick Connect. Thanks for watching.
Stay tuned for next week's video where you can watch me make some mistakes and make some progress on a Subaru engine replacement video.